Hi, this is Em, and I wanted to share with you what you are getting in the Etsy listing for the Eco Dyed paper pack. It comes in this plain brown craft paper type file folder, and I've left it blank so that you can decide how you want to use it. You can either use it to hold your papers and store them in, or put them in a file folder or a file drawer, or you can use it to back tags and other projects that you might have, because it's a nice weight. It's kind of a cardstock, and I really like the color. Let's take a look what's in the pack, and we're going to start at the back with the larger size pieces first. You get 5 12 by 9 papers. And that's a good size if you want to make journal pages, or you can cut down parts for other projects. And you can see that sometimes the back are just as pretty as the fronts, although more subtle, so you can decide which side of the paper that you want to use. This is Fern, and here is Lupin, and this is a I think that might be from a coral bell leaves. This has Cosmos and Daylily. That bluish purple's from Daylily. This is a really interesting piece of paper. There's a lot going on. Here's more Fern, and this I think it might be from oregano, but I'm not sure. I like it. I wish I could. I'm pretty sure it is. Looking at this, this is how this is the shape of how the oregano is. So I think that's what that's from. Sometimes it's hard to remember what all I use. This is fuchsia. And dahlia. Then there's 2 8 by 10s. This is a good size if you're into framed, doing things in frames. 8 by 10 is a popular size. This is rose leaf and more dahlia. Look at how exciting that pattern is. I have a lot of different kinds of dahlia, and so you'll see when I say dahlia, they're not going to all look the same, because there are dahlia, but they are different kinds of flowers. And this one lays down an especially interesting pattern. This is lupin leaf, and looks like some flowers on this side. This is rose, more coral bell. Here's more iris. I'm forgetting to tell you what size these are. If you look at the listing, just I've listed all the sizes on the listing, so it probably makes more sense just to flip through what they are and then check the listing for the sizes. This is Cosmos. I know that these are 5 by 7s. I really think that this turned out pretty. This is begonia, and it looks like, I'm not sure what flower that was, but it makes a really pretty background paper. More dahlia. This is another dahlia that imparts this really vivid orange. Oh, that was the back. Well, the back looks kind of cool too. This is the front. And more, that's Cosmos. More background paper. More begonia, and looks like dahlia petals for a nice background. Leaves. Rose. Petal or rose leaves. More Cosmos. More leaves. And then there's this sleeve is 10 by a little over 4, And I put the smaller pieces in here. You can use it for your scraps or to store the, the small bits. And in here we've got, this is a 3x6. And then there's a couple what I use for bookmark sizes, which is usually 2x6. And these are 3x4s. And then there's a couple ATC size. This is marigold florets. They lay down that really interesting kind of rusty orange. Everything is natural colors that I've been showing you unless I noted otherwise, and this will be a notation otherwise. I do believe that I probably sprayed some sort of ink on here. That's what the wash is. So a couple die cuts, same thing here. I do believe that I put a little extra color on that one. This is natural, of course. And this is just a tag. This is from the rose. It's interesting how sometimes these red roses actually turn out kind of this bluish color and more marigold florets. So that's what's in this pack of eco paper. And thank you for tuning in. You have a wonderful day.